Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 6700 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. And to Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 6700 support and go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 6700 Premium E All-in-One Printer Series. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to go underneath support categories and select software and drivers. And then expanding underneath driver product installation software, there should be an HP OfficeJet 6700 Premium E All-in-One Printer Series H711 full feature software and driver. Select the download button for that and then let it download to your system. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Give it a moment to extract here. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then you just want to proceed with the on-screen setup guide here, getting your printer software configured for your device. Just follow through with the on-screen prompts here. Select the optional software you want to install, and then just continue on with the wizard, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.